Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to this another video tutorial. In this video, we will scrap the data from Facebook pages which I have, which running ads of real estate that I have scraped from this meta ads library, and now we are scraping Facebook businesses from these Facebook pages. So there are many pages, but I have collected only 86 links, 86, 87 links, 80 plus, more than 80 links of this. There's a very short amount of data. So I'm gonna run this, but this was too special. First, there is a settings.json file. It contained only one variable, that how number of threads are required to complete that scraping operation, and that is 6 threads. You can change it according to your requirement, according to your central processing unit, CPU or GPU capacity. But I have changed this to number of threads, and basically there's a not number of threads, where they are basically number of processes. So I give me some sort of time. Let me change this variable name into the number of processes. Okay, so this is multi-processing fastest scraper to scrape data, and now I'm gonna run this. So application was prepared. This is Facebook pages.txt, and now you can see this. I'm gonna run this scraper. So let's get started. Okay, now you can see there's total 6 instances are started. It's an asynchronous multi-threaded application, and now you can see the data was start scraping. Now here is it. This is the data, and this is data JSON file. Okay, now you can see that how fast this was, how fast the data was scrapped, and you can see in a very short amount of time we can scrap around 54, 55 links, and now this is contained the Facebook pages, their email addresses. So this is the data. Okay, basically this is multi-processes. Each scrapping instance performed by multi-processing mechanism, and multi-processing is a great technique. And now you can see this is the total time, 1.284. This is the total minutes, total time to extract data to finish the scrapping operation. And now we have this, the required piece of data. Okay, so I think so this is the file. Yes, this is the file. So yes, now you can see page URL, page name, website, and the email address, actual address, and now you can see this. There's some sort of you can say Urdu settings onto my page. In fact, this impact a lot on my data, but the real thing is we have the email addresses, and then we have the phone numbers. So here is it. This is the best way to reach people cold reach the peoples through that data. And I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let me save this file. I have the oldest version. So now for that time, in just 5 minutes, the whole scrapping operation was completed. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just subscribe to my channel. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.